modern garden ideas to transform your outdoor space. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore contemporary garden ideas to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you are a seasoned garden or are just starting out, these modern designs will inspire you to create a stylish and functional garden that reflects your personal taste. From sleek minimalist design to lush urban jungles, there's something for everyone. Modern garden enthusiast. Let's dive in. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Create a serene retreat with a clean lines, simple plantings and careful sorted features such as a water feature or a sculpture. Less is more in the contemporary garden design. Maximize space and add a touch of greenery to everyone's smallest outdoor areas with a vertical garden. These living walls are not only stylish but also great for air purification. Define different area of your garden with outdoor rooms, whether it's a cozy sitting area or dining space or a meditation corner. Creating zones adds depth and a functionality to your outdoor space. Embrace eco-friendly practices by incorporating sustainable elements like rainwater harvesting, climate system, native plants and composing areas in your garden design. So first you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Integrate small technology into your garden with the automated irrigation system, whether seasonals or LED light. These features not only save time and energy but also enhance the modern appeal of your outdoor space. Make a bold statement with the oversized planter filled with horticultural plants and vibrant blooms. Choose sleek contemporary design to complement the modern aesthetics of your garden. So we hope you enjoy these modern garden ideas, whether you are looking to create a tranquil retreat or a vibrant outdoor entertaining space. Crafting these contemporary design elements will help you achieve the garden of your dreams. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more inspiration and transform your outdoor space. Thanks for watching.